Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about a very common topic. The topic is that how to create how to maintain our study routine which help us to improve our English faster, which help us to stay motivated, to stay productive throughout our English speaking journey. So friends, this is a very common topic, and this if you have any study routine, then you can easily find your destination. You can easily learn this language very in the easiest way. And if you have no daily routine, you just started to learn sometimes, and 3 or 4 days you have no, and you did not work on your study in your learning periods, so you cannot find your destination, you cannot find your goal. You want to learn this language, okay, so you need to stay with this language throughout the journey. You need to stay motivated this language throughout the journey. So for this, you should create a study routine. Okay, so this is very important to create a study routine. Here I'm going to give you my daily routine. How did I learn this language, and how did I follow all the 4 aspects in my time periods. Okay, if you will not interested, if you will not feel satisfied my daily routine, so here in this video I will give you some additional solutions, some additional methods, so you can easily create, you can easily pick those routine which is according to you, which is according to your interest, which is according to your time. So friends, without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel, because this thing gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. And don't skip the video, watch the video right till the end. Okay, so let's get started. So friends, first of all, I would like to say you, when I was not able to speak in English fluently, so people used to keep distance from me, people used to stay away from me. Okay, they used to not showing interested to talk to me. So this is the previous time when I feel it, and then when I felt it. Okay, and then when I was learning this language, and I started my journey, and after sometimes when I speak in English, when I was speaking in English and fluently, then the people as a magnet, they came to me and they started to talk to me, and they so and their interest to talk to me. They always ask me question, ma'am, how can you learn this language so quickly, ma'am? What did you do, ma'am? What the solution you have taken? So please give me some solutions, some methods, some techniques, so that I can easily learn this language. So friends, this is a power of this English speaking journey. Okay, this is a power of skill. Okay, if you having a skill, then people came to you, and then people will come to you, they will started to talk to you. Okay, so this is the power of having a skill. Okay, English speaking is a skill, and every skill is a knowledge. Okay, and knowledge is the power. So you can easily you can easily get preference among the people if you have any kind of skill such as English speaking. English speaking is very important nowadays. It is very important, because everyone want to learn this language, and because of different kind of fear, because of different kind of situation, they want to learn this language. Actually they want to learn this language, but different kind of situation, so they are not going to learn this language. Okay, before going to the video, first I would like to say you, let me tell you only one thing, that in this video, okay, if you invest your time, so this video will provide you more and more valuable things. Okay, which helps you to learn this language faster. Okay, so invest your time. Okay, so what did I do, what did I create my daily routine, how did I create my study routine? So in this video I'm going to tell you everything. Okay, so first you know, everyone know that any kind of learning English speaking period, so there are four aspects, you know, LSRW, listening, speaking, writing or reading. Okay, so you need to focus all of four aspects. Okay, but if you want to speak in English fluently, so you need to focus more than three aspects. Speaking, you have to focus on speaking terms more than three aspects. Okay, what did I do? First, I started my journey with the listening aspects. Why? Because आपको कोई चीज सीखनी तो first you listen carefully. Okay, so in my starting period, at that time, you know, I started my journey, English speaking journey, in the last summer vacation. So in summer vacation I have a lot of time, because at that time school will close, because that time school closed that time. Okay, so I have a lot of time. So what did I do? I started my English speaking journey with listening. Okay, so I gave 4 or 5 hours in four aspects: listening, speaking, writing or reading. Okay, so what you need to do? First you need to do only give 15 minutes, only give 15 minutes. Okay, so here I'm going to share with you all the things so you need to do in between in 15 minutes. Okay friends, so first I listen more and more English content. Okay, mostly I listen English content related to how to learn this language, and this type of contents I mostly listened. Okay, and if you want to listen different kind of content, so you can listen interviews, you can listen English movie, watching English movie, watching English series. So it depends on you, but it is very important to listen English content, podcast, interview, Spotify. It depends on you. Okay, so first what you need to do? First you need to listen it very carefully. So in your study routine, you should listen minimum 15 minutes. Okay, so you have to do give all aspects minimum 15 minutes in your starting period. Okay, but 3 or 4 months you can take little time. Okay, so in 15 minutes what you need to do? First you need to listen more and more English content, Spotify. There are so many content, depend on you, depend on your interest. I'm not saying to listen only my videos. No, it is depend on you. You can listen any type of English content, you can listen any type of Spotify music, English song, English series, English serials. So it's depend on you, but you have to listen it very carefully. So it is this is my routine. How did I listen? So this is my routine. Okay, and here if you feel bored, so here I will give you some additional choices, so you need that you can easily choose it. Okay, according to your interest. So in additional choices you can go some podcast, you can go some species, you can go to listen some self improvement species. So there are so many type of species, so you can choose it and hear it and listen it. Okay, so it depends on your interest. So this is these are additional choices which I gave you. Okay, after listening, we are going to take another aspects. The another aspect is very important. This is speaking. Believe me friends, without these aspects you can't speak in English. You can't speak in English. Even you give more and more listening content, reading more and more books, and writing more and more English in English, but if you will not speak in English, so you can't speak in English. Okay, you can't speak in English if you will not speak in English. Okay, so friends, this is very important to speak in English. Okay, if someone feel that when I speak in English, so it is very difficult for me, because I want to express my ideas, I want to express my all the things which I wanted to say, but when I am going to say all the things, so words does not come in my mouth. So what can I do? I feel like blanks. So friends, it is a skill. Believe me, it is a skill. You know, it is just like you don't know how to drive a car, but you know this is a brake, this is an accelerator, this is a clutch, but you don't know how to brake it. So how can you drive the car? When you drive it. So if you don't know how to speak in English, so when you speak in English, okay, it is in initial time it feels more difficult, okay friends, believe me, because I feel it and I can totally understand with you. It is very difficult in initial time, okay, and you feel like you will do many type of grammatically mistakes, you will do many type of mistakes, so people laugh at you. There are so many type of fear in initial time, okay. So what you need to do, you need to make be a child, you need to be a child, just make a child, okay, and be a child, okay. If you want to learn this language, then make your skin thick, people laugh at you, so let them laugh, don't worry about it, but you have to speak in English anyhow. If you speak wrong, so what, so that what कोई आपको जेल नहीं भेज देगा, okay, if you speak wrong, so don't worry, but speak out. After some times, after some months, after some years, you can easily speak in English, okay, and your mistakes will be going down, okay. So don't worry about doing mistakes, but speak out, okay. So second aspect is how can I how did I speak in English? First, in my first day when I started my journey, my English speaking journey, and that day, believe me friends, and that day I started to make a video, okay, and I create a YouTube channel. You are watching in this channel, English with Desi Madam. So I created it and created a channel, and in the first day I I made a video and uploaded on YouTube, okay, and give it a public, okay. So I did it, okay, in my speaking, and this is my practice session, okay. And what you need to do, if you feel that ma'am, I have no guts, I feel shy when I feel that when I will do many type of mistakes, so people laugh at me, so I am not making a video, okay. So what can I do? So there are some additional solution here I will give you. First, shadowing technique, you need to follow shadowing technique. What is the shadowing technique? Shadowing technique is a technique where you watch a video, okay, and then just pause it and started to imitating it, okay. So this is called shadowing, okay. What is the face expression, what is the pronunciation, you need to follow all things, okay. It is called mimicry, it is called imitating. So in this way you can easily speak out, okay. If you are watching my video, then just pause it, and when I'm going to say you in this video, just pause it and pause and start to imitating it. It is called shadowing. So you can pick this solution, you can pick this practice, okay. So I think that the making a video and uploading on a YouTube, it is the best for me. It is it's thoughts my me, this is my thinking. But if you feel shy, then there is an option, you make it unlisted, and when you feel 1 or 2 months after feeling that now you are good in English, then you can easily public it, okay. So why I am doing uploading a video and not making unlisted? Because here I have no shy, I am learning this language, I am a learner, I am a beginner. So here I am only showing only one thing, is that if I can do mistakes, so why are you thinking that you can learn this language? Why are you thinking shy, people laugh at me? So there are so many type of fears. So in because of this, I wanted to remove your fear if I can. So why you can't? So this, because of this, I am not remain it unlisted, okay. Okay, so I public it, and now today 100 days is completing my English speaking journey, and there are improvement in my video day by day, okay. So this is a speaking turn, okay. Now we go to the reading aspects. So reading, it is very important to read everything. You can hear it that the readers is the leaders, okay. जो पढ़ते हैं वही लीड करते हैं, रीडर्स इज द लीडर्स. सो यू नीड टू रीड मेनी टाइप ऑफ बुक्स. इट्स डिपेंड यू व्हाट डिड आई रीड. सो फर्स्ट आई लव टू रीड इंग्लिश book which is my study English book, which is my children's book, okay, from class first, second, third, fourth, and it is the seventh or that. So generally I read these books. Why? Because this is my profession to explain the children how to read out. So that's why it is comfortable for me. So I read English children book. Okay, if you want to read, then you can go pick according to your interest and read out. It is very important. Why? Because reading habits improves your vocabulary, reading habits improves your thinking in English, how to make a structure in English. So there are so many things which improves in your English. So friends, reading aspects is very important. Now we go to the another aspects, which is writing. Okay, so writing skill is very important. Okay, if you have no time, so you can create more and more. If you pick one verse, then write it all. Okay, what did I do in my writing terms? First, whenever I go to make a video, I started to write on it. Okay, why? Because when the next time when I go to make a video, and then just I remind it, okay, now in before time I said that, and before time I said this. So this helps me. What you need to do, you need to follow, you need to write according to your interest. You need to write some movie, you need to write some series, you need to write some your moments, okay, your love moments, your fighting moments. It depends on you. This helps you how to think in English, because when you think in your mind, then you can write it. When you write it, then you can easily speak it. So writing is very important. So friends, in this video I gave you my study routine. How did I study, and still I am studying it, I am following it, and it helped me a lot to improve my English speaking journey faster. And if you have a daily routine, that's good. And if you have not a daily routine, then you can easily pick the solution, pick the method which I'm going to which I gave you in this video. So you can easily create your own study routine, okay, which help you to improve your English faster. So friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.